Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we are checking out this surveillance security system. So this is a 4K system. You guys can use it with app, Android, but let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. For video installation, please check this out. If you guys want to see a video installation of this product. So everything comes packaged very nicely, safe and secure. Ooh, check out those beauties in there. Alright guys, so there's a lot to go over. So one thing I'm going to point out and highlight is the fact that they give you plenty of power cable and cable line for your cameras. So that is very important. So keep that in mind. That is extremely important. So these are what each individual camera looks like. You guys can mount it with a bracket. Just like this. So simple standard camera, 4K camera. We'll show you guys some video quality. Obviously this is a big system, so it's going to take a lot of installation and all that stuff. We'll jump right to the quality, but everything is, so here you go, to camera side only. So everything can be completely gone over. They give you a mouse, Ethernet cable, power cable. This is your DVR. This will record your footage non-stop. On the back here, as you guys can see, you can connect each camera up. You got an HDMI out with VGA. You can hook it up to your computer and so much more. On-off power button, DC volt in. So you guys can do everything you normally would with your security system with this. Again, it is a 4-camera system, and they all simultaneously can work together with everything. Make sure you check out your manual for more information, as it goes over every single thing that you guys need to get started. I gotta teach you a lot.
Yeah, you do.
It's funny how you went over.